The 2026 Toyota Bajaj Qute OM 10-seater is creating a lot of discussion in the world of affordable public transport, especially among people looking for a compact, fuel-efficient, and budget-friendly option for urban and semi-urban travel. If you have ever thought about a vehicle that combines the affordability of an auto rickshaw with the practicality of a mini passenger carrier, then this machine definitely deserves attention. At first glance, the Qute OM 10-seater gives the impression of a compact people mover that has been designed with crowded streets, narrow roads, and daily commercial use in mind. It is not trying to compete with luxury vans or premium transport vehicles. Instead, it focuses on solving real transportation problems for drivers and passengers who prioritize economy and practicality. When you first look at the design, the vehicle appears compact yet functional. The body structure feels purpose-built, meaning everything about it seems designed to maximize passenger capacity without making the vehicle too large or difficult to handle. From the front, the styling remains simple and practical rather than flashy. The headlights are positioned to provide decent visibility during night driving, while the front fascia gives it a slightly modern touch without overcomplicating the appearance. Since this vehicle is expected to work hard in busy cities and local transport systems, Toyota and Bajaj seem to have focused more on utility than style. Still, for an auto rickshaw-based passenger vehicle, the overall design feels cleaner and more refined than many traditional options. One of the biggest highlights of the 2026 Toyota Bajaj Qute OM is its seating capacity. A 10-seater setup in a compact body is definitely something that grabs attention. For transport operators, school route services, village transport, and local commuting businesses, carrying more passengers in a single trip can directly affect profits. This makes the Qute OM particularly attractive to drivers looking to maximize earnings while keeping operational costs under control. However, the real question is whether a compact vehicle can comfortably manage 10 people. The answer depends largely on expectations. If you compare it to a full-sized van, space will naturally feel tighter, but for short-distance city routes and local travel, the arrangement appears practical enough. Stepping inside, the cabin is expected to remain simple and easy to maintain. Commercial vehicles are usually not designed with luxury in mind, and the Qute OM follows the same philosophy. Durable materials, washable surfaces, and straightforward controls are likely part of the package. The dashboard design probably focuses on functionality, with clearly visible gauges and minimal distractions for the driver. Since this is a work-focused vehicle, the emphasis seems to be on reliability and ease of use rather than fancy digital displays or premium finishes. That said, even a basic layout can feel appealing if it is organized properly and keeps everything within easy reach. In terms of comfort, passengers will likely find the experience decent for short to medium routes. Since the vehicle aims to maximize seating, legroom may not feel extremely spacious for taller passengers, but this is generally expected in a compact commercial transport solution. Ventilation becomes very important in a vehicle like this, especially in hotter climates, so cabin airflow and window design can make a noticeable difference in passenger experience. Drivers spending long hours behind the wheel will also appreciate an ergonomic seat position and manageable controls that reduce fatigue during daily operations. Now let's talk about performance, because this is one area where practicality matters more than speed. Nobody expects a 10-seater auto rickshaw-style vehicle to perform like a sports car, and honestly, that is not the point here. The Toyota Bajaj Qute OM is likely engineered to prioritize fuel economy, durability, and manageable running costs. The engine setup is expected to be compact yet efficient enough to move passengers comfortably in urban conditions. Whether running on petrol, Kong, or an alternative fuel option, efficiency will likely be one of its strongest selling points. For commercial drivers, fuel savings over months and years can mean a huge difference in profit margins. Acceleration is expected to be modest but sufficient for city roads. Since this type of vehicle usually operates in traffic-heavy areas with frequent stops, quick racing performance is unnecessary. Instead, smooth low-speed driving, easy maneuverability, and stable load carrying matter far more. The Qute OM seems designed to navigate tight streets, crowded marketplaces, and narrow village roads with ease. Its smaller footprint compared to minibuses or vans could become a major advantage, especially in regions where road infrastructure is limited. Another important factor is maintenance, and this is where vehicles like the Qute OM often stand out. Commercial drivers usually want something simple to repair, affordable to maintain, and durable enough to survive daily wear and tear. Toyota's reputation for reliability combined with Bajaj's experience in cost-effective transportation could become a strong combination. Spare parts availability and lower servicing costs can significantly influence buying decisions in this category. If the maintenance remains affordable, it could become a preferred option for small business owners and local transport operators. Safety is another area that deserves attention. In the past, many small passenger carriers were criticized for lacking proper structural stability and passenger protection. With newer models entering the market, manufacturers are increasingly expected to improve safety standards. Features such as a stronger cabin structure, better braking systems, improved lighting, and seat support could make a difference. While it may not include advanced premium safety technology found in expensive SUVs, practical improvements can still boost passenger confidence and driver peace of mind. When it comes to driving experience, one of the biggest advantages of a compact passenger carrier is maneuverability. Drivers often struggle with larger vehicles in congested roads, tight parking spaces, and busy market areas. A smaller turning radius and lighter steering setup can make daily driving much easier. This could especially benefit drivers operating in densely populated towns or urban neighborhoods where traffic flow changes constantly. Less stress behind the wheel can improve both efficiency and driver satisfaction over time. One unique selling point of the 2026 Toyota Bajaj Qute OM 10-seater is its ability to bridge the gap between a traditional auto rickshaw and a minivan. It offers higher passenger capacity than a standard rickshaw while remaining more affordable and compact than larger transport vehicles. This balance could attract transport entrepreneurs looking for something economical but capable of handling group transport efficiently. In many developing regions, where affordable mobility is essential, a vehicle like this can potentially solve transportation challenges without demanding a huge investment. Fuel efficiency could easily become one of its strongest market advantages. Rising fuel prices continue to put pressure on commercial transport businesses, so any vehicle that lowers operational expenses automatically gains attention. If the Qute OM delivers strong mileage figures while carrying multiple passengers, it could quickly become popular among drivers focused on maximizing daily profits. Lower fuel consumption combined with affordable servicing creates a strong formula for long-term business sustainability. Another interesting aspect is versatility. This vehicle may not only appeal to commercial route operators but also to schools, factories, hotels, resorts, and even rural transport systems. In areas where public transport options remain limited, a compact 10-seater could serve as an affordable and practical mobility solution. This flexibility broadens its appeal beyond traditional rickshaw operators. Of course, no vehicle is perfect, and buyers should also consider possible compromises. Since the focus is affordability and practicality, premium comfort features may be limited. Long-distance highway travel might not feel as refined or comfortable as in larger vehicles. Passenger space may also feel compact when fully occupied. But these compromises make sense considering the intended purpose of the vehicle. It is built to move people economically, not to deliver luxury travel experiences. Overall, the 2026 Toyota Bajaj Qute OM 10-seater appears to target a very practical segment of the transportation market.